already 90 degrees out. The bite usually slows down around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and we're not even going to be on the water till 10:30, 11 o'clock. So it's going to be an interesting day. And on top of that, we have a low tide at 12 o'clock. So that sounds like fun. Wish us luck. Finally made it on the water. A little bit of cloud cover. We got some rain over there. Hopefully that stays away from us. I'm gonna run around and see if we can catch some fish. I thought I had a rock. That's a big fish. I got a big old red. I got a big redfish. Brody, get the net. It's not really running like a redfish though. It feels like a black drum. That's a big fish. I don't know what it is. I think it's a big black drum. Or a small black drum. It better not be a catfish. Kind of feels like a huge catfish. Oh my god!
Is it?
Yeah. I don't need a net, Brody. It's a giant sail cat. Kelly's got redfish.
Hey, redfish.
I get this 10-pound sail cat and she gets a redfish. Watch out, Brody. You need to be helping your mom, not me. She's got a red. My catfish could eat your redfish.
Baby.
There you go. Kelly got a redfish all by herself.
Yeah. And Justin got a sail cat that was like 10 pounds.
Hey, we're not going to talk about that. The teamwork.
And I
There's a dink. And he just spit the hook. Playing with it. Unartificial. He's a little guy. A little bigger than the last one. Everything's fun when you catch him on a Z-Man.
Is that a keeper?
Not quite.
Is it 77?
He's almost a keeper.
Is it a 77?
Why don't you go get that blue tape measure for me?
77 inch.
It's 17 inch.
Oh.
It's 16 and a half. Set the hook. There you go, big drum. You got him, Kelly. Brody, she's got a huge fish. Yeah, your mom's got a monster. Kelly's got that big drum. Nice fish. Catching black drum in the rain. That's a big one.
Yep.
Oh!
How did you just break the line? All right, Kelly lost the first one. Here goes the second try. Second hits the water, we got another big old fish. I see a big squirrel, it's definitely another 30-pound drum. Don't horse them. With a black drum, when you want to lift, one finger, lift, reel down. One finger, lift. And if you feel them pull, then you pull your finger off. So use your left hand, use one finger. One finger to touch the reel and lift so it doesn't keep making noise when you lift. One finger. And if you feel them pull, let go. Because you don't want to break that line. It's a lot bigger than the ones you catch in the creek, huh?
Oh,
Definitely a 30-pound fish. There he goes. Now he's running, let him run. Alright. When it gives you a chance, that's your chance right there. Slowly start pulling. Yep, finger on the reel, lift, reel down, finger on the reel, just keep them coming this way. There you go, crank them. Oh, big fish. Pretty look at the size of that fish. Thing's bigger than you, Brody. Yeah, that thing is a monster. Turn them. Yep, keep them coming that way. There you go, Kelly. Good fish, Kelly. All right, keep him coming at you. When he starts coming at you, that's when you gotta keep him coming. There he is. Good fish. All right, bring him straight in here, head first. Bring him in head first. Come on, bring him straight. You gotta keep him coming straight. Don't let him turn again.
He's got a big fish. My mom's got a big fish. Look at that thing.
Got him.
Monster. It's a monster.
Holy moly.
Look at that thing.
I think like a 30-footer.
Wow, he's hooked good. Kelly's first big black drum.
This thing's huge.
Thing's a monster. And you hold his tail.
Is he dead?
No. There you go. Red, keep him on there. You got good fish. Get the net, Brody. Nice, Red. There you go, Kelly.
Put it in the water.
Get ready, get in the water. There you go, Brody. Net him. Good job, Kelly.
And
Woo!
I caught me a redfish.
And he's a keeper too. Yeah, just do it slowly until he kicks. Come on, little redfish.
corner fish.
Swim. Pull him by his tail and see if he kicks.
Swim.
You can let go with the thumb. See if he kicks out of your hand. Give him a little jiggle. There he goes.
There.
Well, we just got home and it's been storming on us all day. We didn't really have much of a choice. We had to hightail it to the ramp right after she caught those black drum. So sorry I didn't get a whole lot of video today, but we had a decent bite. We caught a couple redfish and a couple black drum, just winging it today, just kind of sitting in some lazy spots. I mean, Brody got to catch a couple catfish and stuff like that. But it was pretty much just a family easy day today. I did a trailer swap with my other trailer, so I was able to get the aluminum trailer onto the boat, and all in all, it was a pretty successful day. It was a pretty good day off where we just, you know, we didn't really have a plan today, but the rain kind of changed our plans of being relaxing. It wasn't too bad though. We fished from 11 to 1 without being rained on, and then we had to hightail it and get back to the ramp, throw the boat on the trailer and haul back. But we caught a couple fish. Kelly got to catch her first big black drum, so it was a pretty successful day. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.